everyone, welcome to another episode of Journey with Kitania. Welcome to Kitania's Kitchen. Today we will be preparing saltfish fritters, Jamaican style of course, and we are keeping it plain and simple. We Jamaicans love to say saltfish fritters. So every time I am saying fritters, I have to slow down so I don't say fritters. So here we have our saltfish. You probably call it codfish or something else in your country. Let me know what you refer to it as, and let me know where you are watching from so I can send a special shout out to you. And we also have our plain flour, and we are going to be also using some spring onions to improve the flavor and presentation wise, so it looks really good. And we're also going to be using some salt and black pepper. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. So first thing first, we are going to be boiling the saltfish to get rid of some of the salt. So you know, for our hypertensive and those who don't like the excess salt, we are just gonna be boiling some of the salt. So you do this, and you can also use as is. So when you're preparing your flour butter, then you won't need to add any salt to it. But for me, we are just going to wash our saltfish and boil out the excess salt from it. So the saltfish is boiled and ready to use. Also, if you are that person that prepare plan ahead, then you can always soak your saltfish like the night before, and instead of boiling, you can soak it the night before. So here's our flour, and we're not going to be making much fritters today. Just estimation are going by, not measuring. This is about 2 cups of plain flour. Our saltfish is cooked, so it is easy to break apart. Add our salt. And a little black pepper. Going to prepare the scallion now. Now we can go ahead and combine our ingredients. Add our water. So you're going to be adding the water in portions. You don't want to add too much water at once and then the butter is too runny. So you add it in portions so you can decide the amount of water that you'll be needing for this butter. It is best to add in portions, because remember, if you add too much water, the only thing you can do next is add more flour, and then you'll end up making too much fritters. We're getting it where we want it. Just gonna add a little bit more water, and then we continue mixing our butter until it is smooth and nice. Remember to salt and black pepper to taste. So after combining, you can go ahead and taste and see if you have the right amount of salt and pepper. You can also add hot pepper to this mixture, your tomato, and your bell peppers. Just going to add just a little bit more water. Yeah, so this butter is perfect. Taste and see if they, yeah, so that's fine. Going to let this set for a minute. We have heated some oil in the frying pan. We can go ahead now and fry our fritters, and this is done on low flame. So I am doing them a bit small. The portion size is dependent on you, so depending on how big or small you would like your finished product to be, then that is the amount that you will be frying at a time. So we're going to be leaving them to fry on one side until they are golden brown, and as they fry on the outside, then the steam will penetrate on the inside, will be fried, and then we turn them after. You don't want to turn your fritters prematurely, because if you do so, then the batter is not set and you will have a mess. At times they tend to stick together, so you can just pour around and separate them. You can check on them now. So yes, they're already to be turned. You can go ahead and turn them on the other side. So these are looking lovely. We can go ahead and remove them from the oil. So they are fried on both sides properly. Saltfish Fritters, Jamaican Style. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.